Hi guys, we're working on the path, the walkway. So before we make the walkway, I wanted them to put the little retaining wall around this coconut tree because we keep losing dirt around it. So just like all the other little rock walls, we're gonna put a little small one here, fill it with just a little bit of dirt, not a lot. And then once this is done, they'll start the cement slab here. And then they're gonna put the walkway is gonna curve around the rocks, and then it's gonna go over here, connect to this path, connect to that walkway. So Sammy has to pull up all this grass. We're gonna pull it all up, plant it over here. We got a lot of rain last night, and there's hardly any water standing over there. All because we got rid of some of the soil that was the bad soil that was over there. I can still see some standing water, but not a lot. So I'll have to do an update. I want to give you guys an update on our chickens and our pigs and our goats. We'll do that in the next video. But it's such a beautiful morning. After a storm, the air is so fresh and clean here. And it's a nice cool breeze in the morning. It'll get hot later, but right now it's just a nice, beautiful morning. I really love in the Philippines. For me, the early mornings and the and the early evenings are really the most beautiful time of the day. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I think you should let the other guy do it. I have to go out here. He's gonna clean the coconut tree because it has a lot of dead leaves on it. I hope it doesn't fall. Please. You want the knife?
No.
The bolo? Good job, Foreman. You love that. That sound you hear, that's the incubator. When it goes below temperature, it beeps. I think this incubator might be all done, guys. I think I have to buy a new one. It's below temperature. Or maybe it's turning. Are the eggs turning?
No.
No. Yeah. Yeah. So it's still working good. It's that they're not. The eggs are not turning, and that's a big problem. I'm gonna keep these eggs in here just for another 2 more weeks because they've already been here for 2 weeks. I don't want to ruin the process. Then after that, I'm gonna take this thing all apart and see if we can get it working properly. I want to get a new batch of chickens because these chickens are already, you know, I got roosters in there that are 8 kilos. It's too big. Too big to breed. So lots going on. Jen, our architect, who designed our building, I designed it. She put it on paper, basically. She's coming next week. We're gonna meet with her, and we're gonna talk to her about the pool. I want to tell her what I want for a design, and she's gonna give me basically an estimate. And we'll see. I really think we need a pool. It's just, it's gonna add a whole new dimension to this property. A pool. Once I put pictures of a pool online, plus these two buildings, I mean, we haven't got any new bookings. We came close to booking 4 people that were gonna book the 2 villas, but I think they're Korean, and just the communication gap, you know, was a big problem. They, you use the Google Translate to translate the conversation, but I don't think they understood how to book the 2 separate rooms. So December is a good month for us for the villas. January right now only has 1 booking.
Look at a lot of.
A lot of coconuts coming.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is a Berlin green.
Let me clean the coconut. Okay, light the fire for the coconut, for the mosquitoes. Sammy's like the pig father. He loves taking care of those pigs. I'm gonna give him some piglets when we have the piglets. He's gonna get at least 1, depending how many piglets. You gotta give 1 piglet to the boar, to the guy who brings the boar, and I'm gonna give 1 piglet to Sam. Without him, none of this. He cleaned up all the chickens, put them all along the wall. He's working. He's the one that. I mean, I'm the one that design. I'm the one that said close this bunkhouse and make it a chicken house, but he's the one that's been taking care of it. Sammy takes care of all the chickens. He takes care of the pigs now, the rooster, and he takes care of the cabares. He takes care of all of that stuff. Damn incubator. And he works full time. And he's so happy. And when Lynn and I went to Tag with Aaron for the 2 days, a couple days ago, I was very proud of him. He did a good job. Ants. I really hate ants. Sorry about the beeping. Over there, they're getting ready to mix cement. Gonna get the lights, sure enough. Our electric bill was almost 16,000 pesos this month. Because we had guests, and, you know, they use the air conditioner 24 hours a day. 16 pesos is what, 200, 300, like 320 bucks? $320? Okay guys, stay tuned. We got more construction videos coming up this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button.